Ever wake up, stare at your to-do list and think, yeah, no. Your brain is like, we ball? You. No, we nap. Today, I'm going to show you how to force your brain into motivation mode, even when you feel like a dying Wi-Fi router. These tricks are science-backed, brain-hacked, and energy-efficient, even on low battery mode. Let's begin. Roll the neurons. 1. Motivation is not. Step 1. Momentum is. Everyone says, find motivation. But your brain is lazy. It doesn't give motivation before you start. It gives motivation after you start. This is called the neurochemical kickstart. When you take a tiny action, your brain releases a tiny dose of dopamine, which makes you take the next action. So instead of, I'll start when I feel motivated, think, I'll start so I feel motivated. Trick. Tell yourself, just 30 seconds. Do any tiny action. Open the book, start the timer, put your shoes on, write one line. Your brain goes, oh wait, we're doing things? Fine. Dopamine time. 2. Use the emergency override mode. This is my personal favorite. When you feel zero motivation, say this. I don't need to want to do it. I just need to do it. This bypasses your emotional brain, amygdala, and activates your prefrontal cortex, the logical boss. This is how athletes, med students, and literally every productive human survives life. Use this sentence every time. Motivation is a feeling. Action is a choice. You don't need to feel good to start. You just need to start. 3. Dopamine drip, not dopamine bomb. Your brain gets unmotivated because it's overstimulated. Scrolling equals dopamine bomb. Work equals dopamine drip. Your brain thinks, why study when TikTok gives me fireworks? So we fix this by reducing the dopamine bomb. Quick reset. 15 minutes no phone. Drink water. Deep breath. Sit in silence for 20 seconds. Your dopamine baseline resets when your brain becomes ready for slow dopamine. Work feels easier. 4. The identity switch technique. Instead of asking, do I feel motivated? Ask, who am I right now? Motivation comes from identity. If you tell yourself, I'm a disciplined person. I'm the type who finishes things. I'm the type who gets it done even when I'm tired. Your brain starts acting like it. This is neuroscience. It activates the default mode network, the part of your brain linked to self-image. Say this, I don't need motivation. I have standards. Boom, instant power up. 5. Reward the brain immediately. Your brain loves rewards. When you finish a task, even a tiny one, celebrate. Give your brain the dopamine hit it wants. Reward ideas. Mark the task done. Stretch, sip water, take a 1-minute break. Say, good job, me out loud. This conditions your brain. Task equals dopamine. So next time it wants to start. This is classical conditioning, but make it aesthetic. 6. The 2-window rule. This one is fire. If you can see distractions and work in the same visual field, your brain picks distraction every time. So, close all unnecessary tabs. Remove clutter from your desk. Keep only one task visible. Your brain becomes laser-focused because it's not choosing between 10 things. Just one. Simple, powerful, illegal feeling. 7. Replace motivation with systems. Motivation comes and goes. Systems stay. Create these 3. 1. Time system. Work in 25 to 45-minute sprints. 2. Environment system. Same desk, same setup, same vibe. 3. Trigger system. One action that tells your brain, we start now. Lighting a candle. Opening your notebook. Putting on headphones. Playing focus music. Your brain loves routines. It turns them into motivation shortcuts. Your brain is not broken. You're not lazy. You're not unmotivated. You just need the right switches. Motivation isn't a magical mood. It's a neurochemical reaction you can trigger on command. Start tiny, reset the dopamine, shift your identity, remove distractions, let momentum carry you, and soon you'll be unstoppable again and again and again. Remember that person who wanted to nap instead of tackling their to-do list? That's not you anymore. You have the switches. Now go do 30 seconds of the thing. Your future self is waiting.